Again? With the us.
Just stop. It is Drew and Jennifer. So, we're going to show you a magic. But this time, we're going to show extreme changes. Like, so we snap our fingers and then there's a big change.
Extreme.
Like, we're going to have, like, a different hairstyle.
What?
Or, like, we're going to be really, really, really far away.
That doesn't sound very exciting.
Or like, maybe we're going to surprise you and turn off.
Everybody already knows the power of the pause on the video, though, because we just did that like 12 times. Hey, we gotta do something cool if we're gonna stay relevant.
Okay. So the thing to do it is just a pause button. And then you do something else while it's paused, and then you unpause it, and then it's like, boom, 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 boom. It's pretty cool. Yeah, see, I'll do it again. Oh, battery is almost. Wait, what about the battery saver? Why don't you use battery saver?
Because you can't do any of the videos. You would not believe how long I've had the hiccups for. An absurd amount of time.
25 minutes.
At least 25 minutes. And I cannot even hold my breath right. Because it hurts.
So it's us again.
Goodness.
I don't know what to say.
We still have hiccups.
Do you want us to do the magic trick?
We don't need magic tricks.
So I don't really know what to do for this video.
Well, why don't you just talk about what we've done today?
So
Because that will make an interesting video. Talk about it, right?
how have you guys been doing in quarantine? Hopefully as good as we are. School and things have been so hard.
We're doing good, aren't we?
Yeah. How are you doing?
You want to tell about your new bed?
Oh, we got a bunk bed. Me and my brother got a bunk bed. And Mom got a new car stereo. And actually, we got an Xbox, the newest one. My dad and brother are upstairs setting it up right now.
They're not setting it up anymore. They're playing.
They are?
They've been setting it up for like 25 minutes.
It takes way longer than 25 minutes to set it up. Set up an Xbox.
Oh, God.
Stop doing that.
I can't help it. I have hiccups.
Okay.
Everybody got new beds.
Except
new
for
mattresses. Except for, yeah.
you. There's this piece of popcorn on the floor.
What? Ew. That's disgusting.
Did you just eat that? Oh
Actually, it was
my
good.
gosh. She just ate popcorn. And now she's out over there spitting it out.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Yeah. And now she's over there in the sink. And now she's coming back. Yay.
I accidentally just
Show the money.
spit. Show me the money. Old popcorn all over the floor. Trimming.
I actually earned $3 today.
I can't even talk because I have the hiccups so bad.
Maybe I should scare you.
It's a real thing. I have the hiccups so bad for the last, 25 minutes. It is. Whoever said holding your breath till you can't breathe anymore works. It doesn't work. That's not a real thing. It's not true. Okay, ready? I'm gonna try again.
Boom!
rug burn trying to scare mommy?
Didn't. So I scared her. I still don't know if it worked. I'm trusting this money. Because you can always trust money.
What? You can't.
Money. Money is very trustful.
No, it's not. I did not teach her that.
This guy is the first president. Do you know I have the same birthday as the first president? It's awesome!
I think it worked, Drew. I think it worked.
So, how have you guys been doing? Answer that in the comments below. Bye!